Okay, so good afternoon. Today I will brief you and lecture you on chapter 3, which is derivative and hedging risk. This chapter also I will provide, I will show you which areas that you need to focus on, the list of formulas, yeah, definitely. And then also how to do a calculation. Chapter 3 is quite straightforward. In fact, last semesters, almost all of the students here, they managed to answer very well. Okay, so as far as derivative is concerned, I think Hani is only one that get advantage because already learn features and option before. Yeah, so dia apa ni, she has an advantage, extra knowledge on this one. Yeah, so if you look at this chapter 3, I'm focusing on some of the important slides here. Okay, so derivative, yeah, we already know that derivative is instruments, financial instruments that depends on the value of the commodity, yeah, value of the underlying asset. For example, you are playing with the palm oil price, you are playing with the forex price, you are playing with the interest rate. You are not physically buying those commodities or not buying those items, but you are technically playing with the price, yeah, with the principle of buy with the low price and then sell with the high price. Okay, I give you an simple example. Let's say if you buy a gold, beli emas. When you buy a gold, you are not physically buying a gold junk, maknanya gold bar tu bukan. You just enter into contract and then you enter into a buying position to buy a gold. You bukan beli jongkong emas tu, tapi you just masuk contract saja. Once after price goes up, you are decided to sell. So therefore, buying price dengan selling price tu you make a margin. That means selling price minus buying price, the profit tu you just take away as your cash. Sama lah juga dengan palm oil. Palm oil, you are not physically buying kelapa sawit. Bukan beli kelapa sawit balik rumah dan sebagainya. You just enter into contract, at the buying position, and then when the price of palm oil goes up, you are decided to sell, and then you just take the cash as a margin profit. So in this chapter, basically we are focusing on hedging and risk. Okay. I'm not gonna go into forward because like I told you in the previous classes, in the derivative classes, that forward is illegal. Sebab apa? Forward ni dia tak ada, they don't have a standardized contract dan dia macam deal macam tu je. Macam kat kedai kopi lah contohnya. Forward dengan futures benda yang sama. It's the same thing. Cuma forward ni illegal, haram. Tak boleh. Sebab apa? Dia tak ada standardized black and white. But futures, yes. Futures, dia ada contract and they are also under derivative board. In this Malaysia case, dia adalah Bursa Malaysia Derivative Berhad. Kan Hani ya? Okay, sebab tu dia ada macam contract size, delivery month. When you learn into the derivatives subject later on, you will learn all these things later. Ada satu contract bersama dengan apa? Because you cannot buy only one. Let's say kelapa sawit, you tak boleh beli satu kelapa sawit. You kena beli satu contract. Satu contract, let's say 10 kelapa sawit. Jadi you kena beli 10 kelapa sawit. Kalau you masuk 5 contract, bermakna 5 kali 10, 50. You tak boleh simply beli sebiji, 2 biji, tak boleh. It depends on the contract. And contract size normally will give in the question. Biasanya dia bagi dalam soalan. Okay, ini just an example only, but I'm not going to go further in this one. Sebab ini textbook daripada Amerika, so most of the the examples are using American version, but my question is more on Malaysian version. Okay. I'm not going for this one because if in the textbook dia pakai Chicago Mercantile Exchange, tapi in Malaysia we use Bursa Malaysia Derivative Berhad. So I'm not gonna go for this futures market because ini international. Okay. highest price, lowest price, yeah, but this one I got count. Yeah. Okay, open interest means that the number of contracts available for sale. Yeah. Maksudnya kalau open interest tu ada, that means you can enter into a futures contract. Okay, hedging. Hedging means that limit risk. Okay, the purpose of you entering the futures trading because of you want to limit the risk. That means you just only take the sufficient profit only. Not maximum, not minimum, just sufficient. Maknanya profit yang mencukupi sahaja, yang memadai. Yeah. Okay. Just. Okay, so these are the example that you can have a look at. Okay. But I have a better example in the study question later. Okay, number of contracts and so on. Okay, so you can study this one, the solutions by yourself. And then also not only commodity, but also we have interest rate futures. We can also play with the interest rate futures. Yeah, playing with the interest rate. Okay, but again, same principle. Yeah, buy when the interest rate is lower, sell when the interest rate is higher. Yeah. Okay, so this one. Treasury notes, and so on, forward contracts. Let me check if there is any other important thing that I need to highlight. Okay, hedging, and so on. Okay, duration hedging. Later on, I will show you on how to calculate number of years using the table. Nanti ada dalam study question. How to, let's say for example, bond has a 3 years. If you are going for hedging, how many years that you can go for? Normally is lower than 3 years. In the case of 3 years, the answer can be lower than 3 years. So these are the we are not using this formula. Okay, so this is how you answer bond hedging later on. In the study questions. This is how you do. Later on I will show you one by one. Longer maturity, longer duration. Okay, higher coupon, shorter duration. So that means if your answer is lower than it should be, the hedging is successful because it provides higher return. Later on I will show you the example. Okay, done with chapter 3. Okay, now before I'm going further, let's have a look at study questions. Not study question, the notes, chapter 3. And I have this one, formula for you. Ada, nanti you tengok dalam inside notes. Only 4 formulas. Normally there are only 4 formulas associated with this. Kebiasaannya 4 formula. Okay, so these are the formula. Okay, profit and loss, final contract minus initial contract, whereby to find initial contract, settlement price multiplied by contract size multiplied by number of contract. For final contract, they use expiration price. Okay, why final use expiration price? Final means final day. The final day means that the price that will be available on the last day. That's why they call expiration price. For example, kalau futures tu 1 bulan, that means expiration rate price will be on 30th day, hari ke 30. Okay, settlement price means that the price that you enter the contract. Masa you masuk kontrak itu dia bagi price tu. So that is the settlement price. And then number of contracts, hedging amount. Hedging amount means amount invested. Berapa banyak amount yang dilaburkan dalam futures. Bahagi dengan contract size. Biasanya contract size dibagi dalam soalan. Kemudian we have current bond price par value divided by 1 plus IF multiply by NF. And then forward price, current bond price which is multiplied by 1 plus IS multiplied by NS. Okay, what is the difference between F and S? Okay, S means spot. S tu bermaksud spot. Spot tu hari ini. F ni bermaksud for forward. I repeat again. Saya ulang sekali lagi. F ni adalah forward. S ni adalah spot. Spot ni hari ni lah. SPOT, spot. F2 forward, S2 spot. Okay, maksud I ni adalah interest rate. N ni adalah number of years. Okay, N is a number of years. I is a interest rate. Okay, now let's go to the study question. Okay, let's go to the study question chapter 3. Okay, it is available here. Here you can download and have a look. I already uploaded here, which is tutorial chapter 3. Okay. Don't worry about this one because this I will share with you together with the answer chapter 2. I forget to share with you chapter 2, right? I belum share lagi answer chapter 2. Okay, let's have a look at question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, get ready. Wait, let me check. This one I will update because there is some missing info. Okay, let's have a look at question number 1. The contract size is 10 metric tons per contract. Maknanya satu kontrak bersamaan 10 metric ton. Ini berkenaan koko Koko buah koko. Satu kontrak bersamaan 10 metric ton. The settlement price is 2414. That means maksudnya kalau you nak masuk kontrak koko ni, you kena bayar $2414. Ya. Suppose you pada March 2012, Cocoa futures contract on November 22, 2011, the last price of the day. What will be the profit or loss if cocoa prices turn out to be 2431? Apabila expired, berapa dia punya profit when the expiration price is 2431. Okay, now soalan nombor 1, how to solve the answer this one. First step ialah you kena kira. Okay, you can snap the picture or no problem, or I will share the answers with you, no problem. First thing first, you kena kira initial contract dulu. Ni formula, if you look at this one, initial contract, final contract and profit and loss. You have to find initial contract dulu. Kemudian you have to calculate final contract. After that, final contract tolak initial contract. So this one. Okay, you may write down this answer first. 2414 Kali contract size 10 metric tons kali number of contract. Dalam soalan ni, okay, it doesn't mention how many contracts, right? Dia tak ada bagi tahu berapa kontrak nak kena belikan. So assume dia adalah 1. Kalau dia ada bagi contoh, kalau soalan tu dia bagi tahu 5 kontrak, kali 5 lah. Kalau soalan tu kata 7 kontrak, kali 7 lah. Tapi soalan tu tak dia bagi tahu. They didn't tell how many contracts. So assume dia adalah 1. It's still straightforward. Ni dalam 4-5 markah je. This is 4 to 5. 4 to 5 marks only. Okay, so you have settlement price, you have expiration price, same contract size and same number of contract. So for profit and loss, ya, final contract minus initial contract 24310 minus 24140, you will get $170 profit. Okay, because expiration price is higher than initial price. Yeah, expiration price lagi tinggi daripada settlement price. That is number one. Okay, can I proceed to the next question? Boleh? Alright, next question is the same. Okay, the contract size is 5,000 troy per contract. Satu contract for silver ya, silver ni perak Satu kontrak 5,000 troy. Troy ni ada ukuran silver dia lah, mungkin in terms of quality whatsoever. Suppose you sell 5. 5 ni means that 5 contracts. 5 kontrak. Yeah. At the last price of the day, what will be your profit or loss if silver prices turn out to be 31.39 but if silver prices are 30.86 per ounce at expiration? Maknanya apa? They ask you two questions. The first one, expiration price of 31.39. Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua, same step, tetapi expiration price dia berbeza, 30.8. Maknanya ada dua calculation you kena buat. Dua expiration price. Bila ada dua expiration price, you kena buat dua kali lah. Tapi I forget to tell settlement price. Nanti I tambah. The settlement price is, nanti I update dalam ni, Google Classroom. 31.187. Ya, okay. Settlement price dia bagi 1, tapi expiration price dia bagi 2. So you have to calculate twice. Yeah. Okay. So how do you do this one? Initial contract 1 je. Yeah. So you just calculate this one. Yes, saya akan share. Kalau tak sempat, tak apa. It's okay. Just listen to ni ya. Yeah. Saya akan share. Sekali dengan chapter 2. Okay, so $31.187 kali dengan contract size 5,000 troy kali dengan number of contracts 5 contract. So you press calculator, you will get this one. Cuma expiration price, you see ada dua. Yang pertama, yang kedua. That means the question asks you dua expiration price. Dia nak tengok profit yang berbeza, ya. Yeah, of course I will give you the answers because tomorrow will be quiz 2 kan. Yeah, so you boleh tengok Okay. So quiz 2 chapter 2 dan 3 Okay, chapter 2 dan 3. Open book. Okay, the second one, if expiration price is $30.86, same calculation, you need to calculate final contract, and then the new final contract need to minus with initial contract, tapi you dapat loss. Yang pertama you dapat profit, yang kedua you dapat losses. Yeah. Why? Because you compare yourself 31 dengan $31.39 dengan 30.86. Definitely 30.86 are lower. So bila the lower tu ada possibility untuk losses lah ya. Ada possibility untuk losses. Okay, can I proceed with question number 3? Boleh. Okay, question number 3. Okay, what is the difference between question number 3 with question number 1 and 2? Okay, dengar betul-betul Question number 1 and 2, dia satu hal. Okay, question number 1, dia punya settlement price, expiration price satu saja. For question number 2, 2 expiration prices. Tapi for question number 3, ada 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kali. Ya betul, 4 kali. Ya, dia bagi kat sini settlement price 1580, 10 gold futures contract, satu contract 100 ounces. That means you have to calculate four times. Okay, so please snap this picture because I'm giving you the, actually this one is quite easy. This one is quite easy because the first thing first is you need to find the initial value first. And then one more thing, this question also is my favorite question in the final exam. Setiap sem I akan keluarkan soalan. Every sem. This type of question. Yeah. In the tomorrow's quiz also might be. Yeah, might be. Come. Okay. So having a settlement price, having an expiration price, you need to calculate profit for each day. And then you see how to calculate profit and loss. Yeah, that means a accumulation of profit and loss for each day. Setiap hari, plus this one is loss, therefore you need to minus. Loss, that means you need to minus. Profit means plus. So you will get the final answer. I didn't put the final answer here. So please help me calculator how much for this one. Berapa? Campur 44 ni. 4,000. 4,000 profit. Okay. 4,000 profit. Okay, you see the difference between day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4. Nampak ni Nadira? Lain-lain kan? Different Nadira? You see hari pertama settlement price, sorry, expiration price, day 2, day 3 and day 4. They have a 4 different expiration prices. Macam dalam soalan tadi. Ni Ya, 4 different expiration price. Ya, cara kiraan sama. And because why I'm saying that final exam also I come up with this questions. Tengok pada soalan juga. Ya, sini ada beritahu dah ni. Okay. Ya. It depends. Lain-lain commodity, different commodity have a different contract size. Palm oil different, silver different, gold different. Ya, apa lagi? Rubber, getah pun lain. Tapi dia akan bagi juga dalam soalan. Kalau tak ada, okay, let's say if the question does not have contract size, you will not able to answer, therefore you get free marks. Sebab apa? Contract size tak ada, macam mana you nak kira? Ya, faham tak? Contract size is very important. If there is no information on the contract size, you will able to get free marks because of my my carelessness. Jangan berdoa macam tu sudah. Okay, and if you want to try question like this, you can try later on question number 12. Nanti you boleh try question nombor bukan 12. Soalan nombor 10, sorry. Soalan nombor 10. This one, question 10. Okay, if you want to try by yourself, you can try question number 10. Because why? Question number 10, they have 5 different expiration price. Jadi kena kira berapa kali? 5 kali lah. Because 5 different day. Guna step, ikut step ni. Question 3 untuk jawab soalan nombor 10. Okay. And then contract dah ada dah. Contract size dah ada. Number of contract 20. Initial price ni settlement price. These are the expiration price. Okay. Any question so far? So, okay. We take a 5 minutes break. Kejap lagi I will explain to you about question. Okay, dia macam ni question nombor 4, question nombor 5, question nombor 7 dia set yang sama. Question number 4, sorry, question number 4, question number 5, question number 7 and question number 12. Dia set yang sama. Okay, take a break sekejap. Ya, 5 minit. Sekejap lagi I will explain to you on how to answer this one, ya. This on the way, dua suku sampai sini, 2.5. Gitu. Tolong kelas 1 jam kot. Kalau if you want to do some appointments ke apa, do it outside class lah. Janganlah you disturb orang. Okay, now let's move on to question number 4. Okay, let me share. Let me explain how it's done. Okay, I'm going for question number 4 first. Okay, please bear with me. What is the duration of a bond with 3 years to maturity? That means the period are 3 years. And then coupon, which is interest, 7% and paid annually. Okay. If you learn in the previous chapter, annually means 1, right? Semi-annually means 2. Quarterly means 4. Okay, don't worry about this one because normally the question asks either annually or semi-annually saja. Because if quarterly, meaning that there is a longer table you need to be done. Yes, semi-annually or annually sahaja. Okay, so the first thing first for question number 4 is, okay, identify annually M equals to 1. Therefore, because this is a 3 years, therefore 3 years multiplied by 1, which is 3 periods. So that means period 1, period 2, period 3 and another period 3. Okay, I will tell you why. Kenapa dekat yang terakhir tu, why is the last period you have to make it double? This is because this is a coupon. Then please do not forget par value. Okay, I stop here sekejap. Let's go for question number 12 dulu. You see here. Compute the duration of bond 2 years. Coupon 6%. Paid semi-annually. Semi-annually M berapa? 2 kan? Semi-annually M is 2. So let's have a look at question number 12. Semi-annually M is 2, therefore 2 years multiplied by 2, which is 4. That means period 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. Why? Because why the final period you need to make it double? Because you need to include coupon and also par value. That is how you do. Okay, go back to question number 4. Okay, coupon is 7%. That means 7% multiplied by 1,000. That's why you get 70. The reason why you get 70 because 7% multiplied by 1,000. So you get 70, 70, 70. Yeah, multiplied by what value. Okay, and then PVIF 7%. Okay, remember in the appendix that I give to you, you need to use the PVIF table. Appendix. PVIF table is available at table number 3, right? PVIF 7. Okay, that means if you look here, this one 7% 1. That because of period 1. 7% 2, 7% 3, and 7% 3. That means you just take from this one 7% 1, 0.9346, 0.8734, and 0.8163. So you just copy and paste here. Ya, 1, 2 dan 3. Ya. Remember, period 3 and period 3 are same. So expected you get same answer here. Ya, dekat sini. Okay, the next column is column number 2 multiplied by column number 3, PVCF. Okay, how do you get 65.42, 70 multiplied by 0.9346? Kali yeah. And then same thing, 70 multiplied by 0.8734, you get this answer. Just take two decimals. 70 multiplied by 0.163, you get this answer. And 1000 multiplied by this one, you get the same answer. And if you add everything, you will get this value of bond, VB. Yeah, how to get 1000? They add the sum up here. You sum up here, you will get this. Tambah semua. Tambah semua, and then you dapat sini. Okay, and then period multiply. Okay, the last column is quite significant. Period multiplied by PVCF divided by VB. Means that if you are in period 1, that means 1 multiplied by this column divided by this VB. Yeah, so you will get this one. Same goes to period 2, 2 multiplied by this value divided by VB 1000. You get this one. Period 3 multiplied by this value divided by this value. And the last one, period 3 multiplied by this value divided by this value. So we get this one. Okay, so how do you get 2.808? You sum up this value, campur semua. So you akan dapat 2.808. And then jangan lupa kena bahagi 1. Sebab apa? It's annually. Yeah, 1. So you will get 2.08 divided by 1 is 2.81. Okay, now itu case annually. Annually tak ada masalah. Annually is a straightforward. What happen if semi-annually? Okay, goes for semi-annually, question number 12. At the end of the day, sorry, not at the end of the day. How do you get 30? 6% kali dengan 1000 divided by 2. Sebab dia semi-annually. Semi-annually kupon kena bahagi 2. Ya. Tapi kalau 1000 tak payah. Why? 1000 ni memang par value. Par value jangan bahagi 2. Ya, please be careful Par value for the last one 1000 jangan bahagi 2. Yang lain tu bahagi 2 sebab kupon. Ya. Cara membaca PVIF sama. Cara nak mengira ni sama. You campur semua dapat this one. Cara nak kira ni semua sama. Sama. Cuma this one. Because this is semi-annually, 3.81 kena bahagi 2. So, you akan dapat 1.91. Sebab apa tahu? Okay, logically speaking, bond ni 2 tahun kan? But your answer is 3.81. Maksudnya tempoh tu bukannya lagi sependek. Dia lagi lama. Bond tu lagi lama. That means hutang tu bertambah. So, bila you bahagi 2, because semi-annually, you get 1.91. That means 2 tahun, tapi after you hedge, you get the shorter time of 1.91. Sepatutnya jawapan dia macam tu. Jawapan dia mesti lagi kecil daripada number of years yang asal. Kalau you tak dapat, means that there might be something wrong with your working. Sama juga dengan kes atas. Bond 3 tahun. jawapan you, answer you 2.81. That means make sense. Yeah, because the answer must be less than the original number of years. Tujuan hedging ni adalah untuk kurangkan tahunan bond. Sebab dia hutang. The shorter, the better. Yeah. So kalau you dapat more than 3 years in this case, maknanya there must be something wrong somewhere in your working. Yeah. So that is how you do. Okay, okay, question 6 ni sama dengan question 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3. Untuk question 8, hold on, I don't think, okay. Last part, saya rasa saya tak keluarkan ni dalam quiz. I don't think I come up with this question in the quiz. Yeah, because we want to calculate the bond price forward, yeah, and interest rate spot. Yeah, but you just follow the formula. Yeah. Okay, this is the question, which is question number 8 and 9. For pricing tak banyak. I didn't come out in the exam for the past 2 semesters. So tak pakai sangat. So in this chapter, mostly I go for this type of question. And then also this one, the hedging one. Yeah, and then also this one, question 1, 2, 3. But for question number 8 and 9, yeah, the possibility of come out is very minimal. Tak apa. Yeah, faham Okay. Alright, any question? Okay, if there is no question, alright. Just thank you so much for today's class. Okay, and see you again. Okay, I'm stop recording.